Shadia, this is Dean Tuck, and I'm making these short videos for students based on their Week 5 ACA task, which is the most important thing you'll do in ACA, which is plan out everything you're going to do while you're here at Wayne Community College. And mostly everyone's done a pretty terrible job at this, but maybe you didn't. Let's just see. I'm giving a lot of people half credit because, like I said, they didn't do very well. So it looks like you're getting the AA, and you've got a plan to complete your English composition, but given what we're seeing here, it looks like you don't have a lot of hours yet. Relatively new student, very new student perhaps. So let's look at your plan. That's not you. Let's find you. There you are. Now what I needed from you is up in here, show me what institution you're intending to transfer to and what your major was going to be. So when you say Degree 1 Wayne Community College, I think you're misunderstanding the assignment. What you were supposed to do was give me two options, okay? And let's just say, let's look at your week 4. And maybe I can walk you through this a little bit differently. Where are you? There you are. You didn't do it. Okay, that doesn't help, does it? Let's see. Did you do week 3? Let's see. Oh yeah. So that doesn't really help with what we're doing right now. So, remember, this week 3 was meant to help me see, or to help you see what your values are, what your interests are, what your strengths are, and to help you choose a career. But I needed to know, if you didn't get week 4 done, then I absolutely need to know on your week 5 what career you want and what degree you will need to get to chase after that particular degree. I can't give you very much credit for this, Shadia. And if you'll look at this, this is the thing that you should have filled out. You just needed to download this and fill it out, but you can't fill it out unless you know where you're transferring to and what you're going to major in when you do transfer, okay? Because what I'm looking at now is well, let's just say it doesn't fulfill the requirements of this particular task. Like, what is this? I mean, I see that it's a list of some things, but this doesn't make. Frankly, this just doesn't make sense with what we're doing here at Wayne, and it isn't like articulated towards what we do. Like, what is Math 101? Let's just. I don't think that's a thing we offer. And let's just see. No. And that doesn't make sense for your plan anyway, because, if you're in the AA, then if you scroll down the math, it'll show you which maths you have to choose from. It's going to be one of these 3. So what you've done, you're just going to need to redo it if you want to receive credit for it. And it's not a very helpful plan that's going, what this, like I said, what this needed to be is, this is a way for you to figure out everything you're going to take while you're here at Wayne. And that is not what you have. And the first step that you need to do towards doing this correctly is, I want you to download this thing and fill it out as you see here. Now you'll have to make an adjustment or two, like I think it says spring 2023 here, and that would just end up being here in the courses you're already taking. But the first thing, tell us what you're going to take in the summer, and you don't necessarily have to take a summer section classes, but you can. That's a good way to get a jump on things or to help yourself take less in the fall and spring. But I want to see, like I have up here, tell me where you're going to transfer to and tell me what major you're going to get. Is it a BS in accounting or a BA in psychology? You need to tell me that there. And you need to find that baccalaureate degree plan wherever it is that you're going to transfer to. So from week 5, you clicked on this link here, UNC System. I don't know USHDA, but let's just say you wanted to be an accountant from ECU. Then you click on ECU. You look under A for accounting, and it looks like you're getting the AA. I can't remember now, but you would click on AA, and here they are. They're telling you everything you need to take, and now it's just up to you to determine which semester you want to take it while you're here at Wayne Community College. And in places where you see something like, oh, you get C Humanities, well, don't copy paste that stuff. Actually choose a course, because again, this is supposed to be a functional plan that will help you the whole time you're here at Wayne. So if you see something like this, you get C Natural Sciences, you need to choose one. Probably Bio 110, but since it's not a science degree. But all these other things, they're point blank telling you what you're supposed to take. Here, they left it up to you. Now let's go back to your plan. Don't put foreign language, actually choose a foreign language. If you're taking it here at Wayne, it's going to be Spanish. That's all we offer right now. Don't put free elective, choose the free elective. Scientific reasoning, is that a class we offer here? It doesn't sound like one. I know we don't have an African American history class. So you just need to settle in and actually, click around. After finding your baccalaureate degree plan, wherever it is you're transferring to, you need to work with that and our guidelines here and search through these courses and make sure that there are things that we actually offer, and build your plan from there. So you haven't given me a lot to go on that I can help you with. Even knowing that you might be going to NCAA&T here isn't enough, because I don't know what your major is going to be. And here you've got some junior level courses that, like, I'm assuming what you did here is this is in your mind, the assignment was show me what you're taking at Wayne and then show me what you're taking over there. But that's not what this thing asks for. I don't care. I mean, it's not that we don't care, but the assignment doesn't ask for what you're taking over there. That is immaterial to us. What we want to know is everything what we want you to know is everything you're going to take while you're here at Wayne. And since you're just getting started, it's definitely going to take you more than another academic year. Okay. So, granted, you could transfer before you get the AA or AS, but I wouldn't necessarily recommend that for financial reasons. I think everybody should, who's in community college, should get the full AA or AS before transferring. But you need to spend some more time with this, and if you have any questions, feel free to email me.